Imagine a jet that does not just fly through the sky but dominates it. A machine born from ambition, engineered to perfection, and designed to ensure one thing above all else: control of the air. This is not a dream, not a fantasy, and not a story from science fiction. This is the Sukhoi Su-27, a fighter aircraft that changed the rules of aerial combat forever. From the moment it was conceived in the heart of the Soviet Union, the Su-27 was designed to achieve supremacy in the skies, to confront any opponent, and to assert dominance over every inch of the airspace it patrolled. Today, we will dive deep into the story of this legendary aircraft, exploring its origins, its design, its technological mastery, its combat capabilities, and its enduring legacy in the world of military aviation. We will see why, even decades after its first flight, the Su-27 remains one of the most respected and feared fighter jets ever built, and why pilots, engineers, and aviation enthusiasts around the world continue to be captivated by its sheer power, agility, and sophistication. From the icy expanses of Siberia to the open skies over Europe and Asia, the Su-27 has left an indelible mark on aerial warfare and has inspired generations of aircraft designs that followed. To understand the Su-27 is to understand the very philosophy of air combat, the relentless pursuit of superiority, and the marriage of raw power with unmatched maneuverability. It is a story of innovation, strategy, and the unyielding will to dominate the skies, and it begins in a time when the world was divided by tension, when nations raced to develop the ultimate weapons, and when the balance of power in the air could determine the outcome of wars and the safety of entire continents. The Su-27 story begins in the early 1970s, when the Soviet Union faced a growing challenge from advanced Western fighter aircraft. The United States had introduced the F-15 Eagle, a jet capable of extraordinary speed, range, and air superiority. In response, Soviet military planners realized that to defend their vast airspace and to maintain a credible deterrent against potential adversaries, they needed a fighter capable of matching and exceeding the capabilities of these Western aircraft. The vision was clear: build a jet that could fly farther, faster, and more powerfully than anything that might oppose it, while carrying an arsenal capable of taking down multiple targets in complex combat scenarios. The result was the PFI program, the Prospective Frontline Fighter Project, which would eventually give birth to the Su-27. This program aimed to produce a fighter that was not only capable of air-to-air combat, but also able to operate in extreme conditions, from freezing temperatures to the heat of remote regions. It was a jet that would embody the Soviet philosophy of overwhelming presence, speed, power, and superior firepower combined with extraordinary agility. The Su-27 was envisioned to dominate not just through technology, but through sheer performance, to be a predator in the sky with capabilities unmatched by contemporary designs. When the first prototypes took to the air in 1977, the world was introduced to an aircraft that immediately stood out for its size, its strength, and its audacity. The Su-27 was large, twin-engine, and built for endurance. Its wings were wide and sweeping, designed to provide exceptional lift and maneuverability, while its twin engines provided raw thrust that allowed the aircraft to reach supersonic speeds with ease. Pilots who first tested it were astonished by its responsiveness, its ability to handle high angles of attack, and its capacity to perform maneuvers that would have been impossible in older designs. One of the defining features of the Su-27 is its supermaneuverability, a term that has become almost synonymous with this aircraft. The jet is capable of post-stall maneuvers, such as the famous Cobra maneuver, in which the aircraft pitches its nose sharply upward while maintaining forward motion, allowing it to bleed speed and confound opponents in dogfights. This maneuver, once thought impossible, demonstrated the Su-27's extraordinary aerodynamic design and control surfaces, giving pilots a significant advantage in close-range combat situations. The airframe of the Su-27 is built for both speed and agility. Its blended wing body design reduces drag while maximizing lift, allowing for sustained maneuvering at high velocities. The twin vertical stabilizers provide stability during extreme maneuvers, while the canards on some later variants further enhance its agility. Every curve, every surface, and every structural element of the Su-27 Su-27 was designed with one goal in mind: to make the pilot almost an extension of the aircraft, allowing human skill and engineering to merge into a seamless force. Powering this aircraft are two massive AL-31F turbofan engines, capable of producing incredible thrust. These engines allow the Su-27 to accelerate rapidly, climb steeply, and engage in prolonged supersonic flight. They also provide the jet with the ability to supercruise in certain conditions, maintaining high speeds without the constant use of afterburners, which conserves fuel and extends operational range. The engines, combined with the airframe, make the Su-27 a formidable force, able to respond to threats quickly, evade enemy missiles, and maintain aerial dominance over large areas. While the Su-27 is known for its raw performance, it also integrates sophisticated avionics for its era. Its radar system, the N001 MIAC, allows the aircraft to detect, track, and engage multiple targets at long distances. Although not as advanced as modern sensor fusion systems, it was revolutionary at the time, providing Soviet pilots with the ability to engage threats before they could respond. The jet is also equipped with infrared search and track systems, electronic countermeasure suites, and advanced targeting computers, giving it a significant edge in both day and night operations. In addition to air-to-air combat, the Su-27 was designed to carry a significant payload of weapons. It can deploy long-range missiles designed to take down enemy fighters before they close in, as well as short-range missiles for dogfighting and precision guns for close encounters. The aircraft's versatility allows it to carry a wide range of munitions, including bombs, rockets, and guided missiles, making it capable of performing multiple roles if necessary. The Su-27's operational range is another key strength. Its large fuel capacity, combined with efficient engines and aerodynamic design, allows it to patrol vast distances without refueling, a necessity for defending the immense airspace of the Soviet Union. This long-range capability also enables the Su-27 to engage in deep strike missions, intercept incoming threats far from critical areas, and project power over a wide theater of operations. Pilots who have flown the Su-27 often speak of its intuitive handling and responsiveness. The cockpit was designed to provide maximum situational awareness, with controls positioned for ease of access and displays optimized to convey critical information quickly. Unlike some aircraft that overwhelm the pilot with raw data, the Su-27 allows the operator to focus on tactical decision-making, while the aircraft's performance and systems handle the complex physics of high-speed flight. Over the years, the Su-27 has been upgraded and evolved into an entire family of aircraft. Variants such as the Su-30, Su-33, Su-34, and Su-35 incorporate advanced avionics, new engines, the